What is InstaQuote and how to use it? Step 1. Enter the agent portal. Look for the InstaQuote button to access the tool directly. No registration or password required. Step 2. Once inside InstaQuote, you will see a welcome screen where you can select the language in which you would like to create the quote. Next, choose the country and the corresponding issuer. For this tutorial, we will choose Jamaica as the country and BDIL as the issuer. Step 3. Now select the effective date of your policy and choose whether you want to quote a new policy or a renewal. For this example, we will select a new business. Please note the maximum eligible age for quoting new businesses. For all issuers, the age limit is 74 years, except for PPGA in Ecuador, which has no age restriction. Step 4. At this stage, you will need to enter the policyholder's date of birth. You also have the option to add dependents, such as a spouse or children. Once you have finished filling out the form, click Next to continue. Step 5. The application will generate a summary of the information you initially entered, along with the available payment frequency. Step 6. Once the payment frequency has been selected, InstaQuote allows you to generate up to 14 different combinations of plans and deductibles. In this section, you can also check whether the policy includes additional coverages, such as maternity and organ transplant riders, or critical select. To move to the next page, select Calculate Cost, and then click Next to continue. Step 7. This interface displays a summary of the quote. If any of the entered information is not accurate, you can either restart the quote or go back to the previous step to make changes. You can also view a detailed breakdown of the premium from this section. Additionally, any current incentives for new business will be shown here. Step 8. At the bottom of this page, enter the insured's name, last name, and email address, as well as agent's code and name. Once the required fields are completed, InstaQuote will allow you to download quote. You can select up to 7 items to include in the downloadable file. The quote is automatically downloaded in PDF format. It can be saved and emailed to the insured from the agent's account. Step 9. Quotes are now generated with an updated and more intuitive design as a result of integration with the InstaQuote tool. The summary of benefits for the selected plans are downloaded automatically, in this case, Medical Elite and Premier Plus. To continue, return to the previous step, where you will be presented with 2 options: Send to Customer and Apply Now. If you select Send to Customer, a quote number will be generated automatically. An email will be sent to the customer's address, and confirmation message will appear, indicating that the quote was successfully sent. A copy of the document will be saved in the agent portal, where it can be easily retrieved using the assigned quote number. To enable the Apply Now option, first return to the previous interface and select the plan and deductible you want to quote. A quote number will be generated automatically. A confirmation message will appear, indicating that the quote was successfully converted. You will also see a link to log into the agent portal to continue from the application. And that's how you generate, download, and send quotes using InstaQuote.